starting to get a little hungry. You getting hungry?
What should we eat?
I don't know.
Green beans?
I don't know. Does that sound good?
Sure. I don't know. If it's not a hamburger, I don't really want it.
No, yeah, that sounds good.
Welcome to Highway 30. I'm Amy.
And I'm Sarah, and we're here to help you get creative.
Yeah, today we are going to make a DIY utensil holder. Cute. No, it's almost time for, well, spring is on the way. It's still cold here, but
it is
what
still
is
cold.
It, the second day of spring?
It is, technically.
Yeah. We're getting ready for food on the porch. No.
We can have food on the porch. Who has a porch?
So we're getting ready for grilling outdoors and food on the deck.
We're always looking for cool ways to set the table, and so this project is cool because it's got a lot of different parts. We've got pallet wood. We have some cool cans.
Yep, we're gonna recycle some cans from the green bean extravaganza that we had.
So delicious. We had a green bean meal.
Green bean meal. We've got the cans, we've got the pallet wood, and we also get to add a little bit of leather to this one.
And color, really nice pop of color for spring and summer.
I love this color that we chose. Without delay.
Without further ado.
Exactly. Why don't we go ahead and get started? Get busy on our utensil holder.
Maybe some more green beans.
All right, label taking off. We got a little glue here. But I bet that can be the part where
That can be the glue side.
What have we got, Sarah? Rust-Oleum. Vintage teal.
Also known as Highway 30 blue. Oh yeah, he's gonna be. It's 5/8.
5/8 by 1 inch. No. We didn't write, we did write it down.
I wrote it down. 5/8 by 8.
5/8 of an inch by 8, and then 1 inch by 2 inch times 6. Our memories work.
Okay, I hope that's right. Very good, you got it.
Okay. And then inches. We'll do 2 of those. So we'll have enough. Look at all that leather we have left over. Yay!
Literally.
So close.
I know. It's that little guy on the end. Very good. Cute.
All our little leather pieces done. Now we're gonna weed our words.
Yes.
Weed the words.
Weed the words. Ah, knives was easy.
Sweet.
Okay.
Now all we have to do is transfer our little words to the pieces of leather.
It just occurred to me that we get to hot glue.
Oh yeah, we get to get hot glue gun out. I'll go get the hot glue gun heated up. Let's get it. All right, for the handle.
Yes.
So we're gonna take that and our leather piece.
I'm gonna go. Do you like that divot?
Top.
Top. I agree.
So we want it to pop up just a little bit. 1.5 inches from each side, do you think?
Okay. Yep.
And then we'll drill a pilot hole.
That
Pencil would
sounds
be
good.
handy. All right, 1.5 inches. Now for the super scary part.
I know.
Not really. But I'm gonna stand up for this.
Stand up and I'm gonna just hold it for you.
That's really scary for this hand. And dust it off over here.
It was a magical trash can called the vacuum later.
And then we need to punch some little holes.
I think we probably need to punch a couple of little holes. Ow!
No. All right. Now let's do the changeroo.
That's so cute.
Worked.
Very cool.
All right, now we're gonna glue the cans onto the board. And we are going to do that with our E6000 and our hot glue.
Because that's our magic. That is how we roll. All right, so this is a 10-inch board. So we know one of our cans is centered, so we can just mark. We definitely had one spot on each can where the label was stuck on with glue. So we're gonna
Yeah,
obviously glue that side.
yeah, it saved us a little bit of time.
Good.
Glue time.
Glue time. Instant gratification.
Oh yeah.
And we're gonna snug them together because we think that's cute.
Yeah. glue, leather,
I know. Well, we still have to label.
drilling,
So we still have
power
to
tools.
Had to do all of it. There's so much reuse here too. So the pallet wood, the leather, the cans are just cans.
Yeah, it's practically a free project.
Practically a free project.
I mean, the screws were the only thing. And if you count the vinyl, what is this? Pennies in vinyl.
Pennies and vinyl.
Ah, this is gonna be awesome. So, what do you do? Spoons, forks, knives, forks, spoons, knives.
I think I would say forks, spoons, knives.
Forks, spoons, knives.
I agree.
Okay, let's do it.
Look at that. And it's our favorite color.
I know. How cool.
Now I want to have a small gathering.
Yeah,
A smattering of humans.
time for the grill.
That's